My name is Ethan, and I'm the person in charge of overseas business. Zoneway Technology specializes in advanced magnetic drive conveyor system, providing high precision, high speed, and flexible automation solutions for industries such as like electronics, battery, medical, food packaging, and semiconductor manufacturing. So our core expertise lies in the intelligent magnetic conveyor solutions designed to improve efficiency, accuracy, and cleanness in modern manufacturing. So we work closely with global partners like BYD, offering customized solutions and comprehensive technical support to help business optimize their production process. With a commitment to innovation and quality, Zoneway Technology continues to push the boundaries of automation, delivering cutting-edge solutions to our clients worldwide.
리니어 모션 시스템은 직선 운동을 구현하는 시스템입니다. 기존의 컨베이어 매트와 차원이 다른 성능을 자랑합니다. 리니어 모션 시스템은 코일이 하단에 위치하여 영구 자석이 캐리어와 함께 자유롭게 이송 가능합니다.
South Korea's leadership in semiconductors, automation, and high-tech manufacturing makes it a strategic market for Zoneway Technology. Our magnetic drive conveyor solutions meet the industry's demand for precision, efficiency, and clean room automation. Expanding here strengthens our presence in Asia and allows us to collaborate with industry leaders to drive innovation and productivity.